In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove people in Canva teams. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can manage your team effectively within Canva. Whether you're looking to collaborate on projects or adjust team members, these instructions have got you covered. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Canva's website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account before we dive into the rest of the process. Once you're in, let's move to the next step. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Hover over this area with your mouse to reveal additional options. This is where we begin accessing the team management settings. Once you've clicked on your profile, the next step is to select Settings from the available options. This is where you'll find various features you can customize, including team management. Within the Settings menu, take a look at the options on the left-hand side. You'll see a section labeled People. This is the hub for managing team members, allowing you to both add and remove them as needed. Suppose your task is to remove a team member. You'll want to find and select the profile of the person you intend to remove from the list. Carefully check the box next to their name to make your selection clear. With the profile selected, it's time to head down to the middle of the screen at the bottom. Here you'll notice the option to remove users represented by a trash bin icon. Click on it when you're ready to proceed with the removal process. Once clicked, you may be prompted to continue to confirm your action. This step serves as a safeguard to ensure you're certain about the change you're about to make. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed. Finally, to complete the removal process, you want to click Remove. This final step will effectively remove the selected person from your Canva team, ensuring that only the intended members have continued access to your team resources. By following these steps, you can manage your Canva team effortlessly, whether you're looking to streamline operations by removing users or prepare for creative collaboration by adding new ones. With a bit of practice, managing your Canva team becomes a smooth, manageable task, allowing you to focus on unleashing your creativity. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on leveraging tools like Canva. Have a great day and happy designing!